moment in time. I am like nervous. I feel like when
Good
I got out of the
girl.
water and my breath
I
is
know.
high. That's why
It's been a tough day.
And then tears pouting.
You've had a
I think
tough
there's a theme
day
going with
tonight.
this girl. She likes to be center of attention.
Good girl.
There's always fear
Okay.
drama.
I'm going to stop though. Okay. All right. Just a little more. A little more scratching for Adita. But the game's on. I have to start watching the game. Okay? All right. Good?
Beautiful tonight.
Okay. Let me see.
I don't know if you guys saw it on my face,
All right.
but I think it's only natural.
But I have to get back to the game now.
And I doubted myself
Okay?
last week, and I started thinking,
You
what
good?
if it's not, and what if my wife's not here? But this week has been so
What?
great. I just kind of cleared my head,
Okay.
and now I'm back to where I need to be, and I'm so optimistic about the future. So,
Good girl.
this week
All right. I need to get back to the game now.
fantastic. I've got 8 women left, and
Okay. Is that better?
all 8 of them. And each
All right. Is that better?
means a lot. If I can't picture
Oh, that's better.
raising
All
a
right.
family
All right. Let me get back to the game now.
can't justify keeping them around. So
Okay. One more time. But then I got to get back to the game. I got to check the score. You're very high maintenance.
Great.
Very high maintenance. All right, let me get back to the game.
That's good.
Okay, that's good. Let's stop.
I love you, Adita. How do I stop it?